Let's get it, y'all. Let's go. Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle, baby. We jumping right into the action. We are here at Mannheim North Star, as you guys can see. And I got some vehicles, man. So I bought 3 vehicles. We are picking it up. I'm actually switching it up with some different teammates today, man. All my brothers are gone. Well, not all of them. Some of them are gone. So Twan, man, he's actually in DR right now. So that's the Dominican. What do you call, how you say that? Dominican Republic. There you go. That's where he is at, you guys. And he is relaxing, enjoying himself. Tremaine just flew out to Colorado. So the other part of the team is who I'm working with today, which is my brother Cam and my brother Mike, man. So anyways, man, I am in one of the cars that I bought, which I'm going to take to the detail shop because this thing is super dirty, y'all. So it's got 166,000 miles. This is a 08. Actually, let me let y'all see this real quick before I tell you. So this is a 08 Nissan Versa, man. 166,000 miles. It needs some wheel covers, got a little scratches and bruises, but I'm gonna make this thing look real good and real clean. The exhaust is a little messed up, man. It needs a flex pipe, I think. So as you can see, man, this thing is super dirty and disgusting, but we all know what Eric does, man. Make sure y'all watch this because when I do the vlog, once we pick it up and everything, I want y'all to see the difference on what he does, man, because he's super dope. So I got my brother's wife is helping. Got all the kids in there, so they all moving and grooving. And then my brothers are over here, so let me go holler at them real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all some more cars. We got a whole bunch of stuff going on. I think this is our Impala too. We got about, total right now, about 7 to 8 cars I think we're moving. So yeah, this is the car that we need to get out to my uncle's body shop so he can paint that hood. This is a 2010 Chevy Impala, y'all. It's got like 167 on it or something. Yeah, man, it's a lot going on right now. I got this dope Toyota Corolla, man, right here. 2003. This thing's got like 185 on it, something like that. And I'm getting ready to get this possibly sold today, man. Had a customer that referred this young lady to me. Her name is Lisa, and I haven't met her yet, but we will see, man. This thing don't need nothing. Probably an oil change. Check engine light is on for an O2 sensor, but I'm not worried about that because this thing is running good and doing this thing, man. So like I said, man, lots and lots of cars, man. They got the Chevy Tahoe. This is an 04 Chevy Tahoe right here. This is my brother's right here, talking to the security guard. But yeah, 04 Chevy Tahoe. This thing got 244 on it. I don't know exactly how much was spent on it because I'm not into details like that today, y'all. So this thing got the leather interior, good tires, man. 4x4, as you guys know. Probably gonna end up taking this thing off, just a couple of bolts, get that looking good. We bringing this to the detail shop as well. So this is a 04 Chevy Suburban Z71, y'all. Z71. Got the leather interior. As you can see, it needs that detail, man. So we finna get that taken care of. My brother found some hot sauce, some Mexican hot sauce, y'all. So it's exclusive. So he's super happy about that. So he went ahead and took it. So we kind of do this thing where if you find it, it's yours in the car. So he got the hot sauce and then he gonna run off with it and everything. So, but it is what it is, man. So dope. Also, man, we're gonna go over here, man. I'm gonna just show y'all the cars right away, and then we're gonna see kind of how the day transpires. And I think we're gonna have a lot of fun, man. I like to most definitely kick it with my brothers, my dad, whenever I can, because you gotta cherish the time that you got with your family. And today, man, we got my brother's kids and my son Aiden, which is the middle son today. So we're gonna have some fun, man. So anyways, man, this is a 2014 Chrysler 200, y'all. This thing's got 173,000 miles, cracked windshield. Get that fixed, and then it's got a dent in the fender, and then this mirror needs to be replaced. We already found all the parts and everything, but this isn't one of my deals, y'all. So this is my brother's deals. We get that taken care of. Can't show y'all the interior, but there she is, man. So that's all the cars I can think of that's out right now. No, I lied, man. I got another one for y'all. So also, man, I'm gonna get y'all some music soon, man, but it ain't gonna be today. I know I've been slacking on getting y'all the music on when we rolling, man, but y'all already know the drill, man. So it's good tires, man. This thing is a 08 Hyundai Tucson, Tucson, whatever you want to call it. 4-wheel drive, baby. Decent body. I did not see this. I did not see this at all, y'all. I'm gonna have to get that fixed. Gotta get that fixed. Simple fix. Get that knocked out. I did not see that. I feel like somebody low-key hated on me though, but it's all good. The interior is pretty cool. And then guess what, man? I don't know if y'all can see down there, but somebody cut out the cat. So I'm gonna have to get that fixed, drop that to the detail shop. So I got some deals on some cars, but I gotta put work into it. Prices was going crazy high yesterday. I didn't vlog yesterday because I was a little bit upset. I ain't gonna lie to you, but it is what it is, man. Let's get on this road. Let's make some blue faces. Let's get it. Let's go. Oh, and also, man, make sure you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and then that subscribe button. Notification bell is right next to that joint. Instagram is Chucks_Daily Hustle. And then Facebook, Chuck's Daily Hustle, man. Links are all in the description below. Let's get it. Okay, so we are about 10 minutes into the drive, you guys, and let's show you guys what we're doing right now. So I'm doing about 70 miles per hour. Steering wheel isn't shaking or anything funny like that. Everything seems to be going good, man. So I did notice when I was on the other road that I was moving very, very like quick to the left, so basically like it needed alignment, but I think the road was uneven because right now, as you can see, we are going straight. So that was the only thing that was alarming to me. As I told y'all before, the exhaust is a little loud. You can see right here, y'all, that it does have the aftermarket CD player, so that is a +2, man. So I think we are straight, man, as far as like the mechanics go. So that's just real good. But obviously, man, cosmetic issues. But I think I know once Eric gets done with this thing's gonna look 10 times better. Also, man, I don't know if I showed y'all the back, but if you did see the little band-aid in the back, which is funny, I never seen one before. There's a little pink band-aid in the back of the hatchback, and basically there's a dent there. So I'm trying to debate what I'm gonna do with it, if I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, fix it, or, you know, how much money I'm gonna be into it with repairs and everything, to see if it's kind of worth even putting a different hatchback on it. Sometimes, like I was telling y'all before, what I'll do is I won't fix everything, even it may be even a small thing, because you're going to end up making the same amount of money, and people usually have less money than more money, if that makes any sense to anybody out there. But to each his own, man. Just let me know, what would you do? Would you fix everything? We're talking about exhaust, detail. Obviously, you got to do the wheel covers regardless. And then that hatchback, that's where I'm at right now. So comment below, let me know what you think. Bro is following me right there. I got Mike following me behind me, y'all. He's in the Suburban. And then my bro Cam and his wife, they're actually going to my mechanics in a different part of the city, and then they're gonna come and swoop us. So we just, you know, divided and conquering right now. And like I said, man, it feels good just to keep moving and grooving, man. So let's get it.
Woo! Sheesh! Taking over, taking off. I'm spazzing like it got the spaz. Woo! 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 I'm up, 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 I'm up. We up, we up. I'm up, I'm up, I'm up, I'm up. I'm up, I'm up. We up when we come through. We got a blue.
All right, y'all, we are at the detail shop, man. Just got here, and let me get my dealer plate before I forget. So let's see if he got this door open. He usually got it locked. No mask, no interlance. He ain't working by himself. A little loud though, y'all. He's gonna have to deal with it. But see what he got going on. Put my mask on real quick. All right, y'all. Let's see what he got going on in this Durango. Oh, he ain't done with this one yet. But coldest detailer alive. That's all I can tell you. All I can tell you, man. He get to the nooks and the crannies, man. We are back at North Star, you guys. We are here. I'm finna drive my Tucson, whatever you call it, Tucson Tucson. I'm driving it. Unlock this joint. Now y'all gonna hear the loudest dang car that I have ever got. Well, one of the loudest cars I've ever gotten. Start this joint up real quick. Look, I got the aftermarket too. This thing got 221,000 miles on it though, y'all. So we gonna be straight, man. So, oh wow. Looks like it's almost due for an oil change too. So anyways, man, we basically gonna split up. Let me cut this down. Cut this off, actually. We gonna split up, y'all. So me and Mike is going to go and bring this to the muffler shop. Then we all gonna meet up at my uncle's body shop. They gonna go drop off, that's my brother Cam and his wife. They gonna go drop off the Corolla to the office and then meet us there. And then I'm dropping them back to Manheim so they can just grab some more cars, but then I'm gone. So we are basically done. So let's get to it, man. Chuck, what you doing, baby? Well, what I'm doing, man, is I'm actually changing up the plan again. So we are going to go to a different exhaust shop. Tremaine actually met a different exhaust owner, which is way closer to the office, and he charged him $20 more than what my normal exhaust dude would charge me. So I hope you guys can hear me because I know that it's super, super loud. So anyways, man, we are going to bring this car there. Everybody's splitting up basically in a different order. I'm not even going to explain all that. All I can tell you is that we are going to meet up. So let's get this car to the exhaust shop. Let's, you know, obviously start in the right direction to get this thing fixed up. So let's get it. I will see you guys in a second. I am getting a little bit tired. I'm not going to lie to you. Okay, you guys, man, I got the Corolla dropped off to the office. I am in the 08 Ford Escape, getting ready to bring this to the mechanic because it's missing some bolts to be able to put my bumper cover on, which is located right in the back right there. I hope y'all can see that. So he's going to basically he's going to put the bumper cover on for me and everything. And yeah, I don't feel like doing it, y'all, which is okay. I like to sell cars, not fix them. No. But nah, man, he's going to do it. And then I'm going to get this thing posted and everything. So anyways, man, so I'm pretty much done for the day, y'all. It's just some more ripping and running, and y'all are not going to see any more cars. So I figured, why not just end it on a positive note and give y'all a little bit words of encouragement, and that is to never, ever, 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 man, give up, and most definitely keep on persevering and going through all them trials and tribulations, man. Don't give up. That's all I gotta say, man. I'll see y'all on the next one, Major Nation. I'm out. Peace.